My name is Kim Greene. I'm the production manager and factory supervisor at Lubing Systems in Cleveland, Tennessee. I got into this industry by actually farming. My husband and I bought a breeder farm, and that's how we broke our teeth in the business. We did that for 5 years. Then we sold that farm and built a broiler farm, 4 houses, and after I got used to it, I needed something else to do, so I came to work here part-time. I was here not quite a year, and the president asked me if I wanted to run the facility, and I said yes, and that's been ever since. I have the knowledge of being the farmer and being on that end, so I know how important it is to get the quality that is so important in the industry, and also the urgency of every order that we get, how important it is on the farmer's end. One of the reasons that I enjoy this job so much is because it's very challenging. So every day, new things are thrown my way, and the business is growing, so it's becoming more of a challenge, but my motto is always challenge accepted.